the reciprocal of tangent. That means cotangent is the psi y cos x, tangent is y over x, which means cotangent is x over y, or said another way, it's cosine divided by sine. So that means anytime you have a vertical asymptote, and there should be one there, it's because sine is equal to 0. The symmetry, as you can see on this one, it says origin, which means it reflects over the over the origin. So what's up here is rotating over here, and what's down there is rotating over to this quadrant. So they flip across the origin. Again, the period is 1 pi by nature. Okay, so let's go through the same process. If we want to find vertical asymptotes, you first need to point out that psi y cos x, tangent is y over x, which means cotangent is x over y, which means sine x is on the denominator. Why does that matter? Well, for vertical asymptotes, those are found when the denominator, I'm just going to say denom, is equal to 0. So you would just say sine x, sine of 2x equals 0. That's how we get an asymptote. Remember, cotangent, you would just take this and break it for you'd have sine 2x underneath cosine 2x. So how do I solve this? How do I get the x by itself? Well, I do an inverse. So how do you flip those two? You would say sine inverse of 0 equals 2x. I'll have one step to get x by itself. I'll need to divide by 2. Don't be confused. You're going to have a parenthesis there when you go to the calculator around that 0. So we'll go to our calculators, and I'm just going to clear it real quick so we can see easier. So we had the inverse of sine of 0 all divided by 2. Press enter. The value is 0. We should have an asymptote at 0. Now we check it, and it does appear that I do in fact have an asymptote there at 0. Let me get out my asymptote line here. So we've done that part right. We got that. Now how do I get the rest of the graph? Well, we find the period, or rather, not the rest of the graph, but the other asymptotes, is you do your period. And to find the period, remember you go pi divided by b, which in this case, my b is 2. So it'd be pi over 2, and that can't reduce. So that means the vertical asymptotes will occur at starting at 0 plus pi over 2z. That's how you would write all your asymptotes here. The rest, I would let you just graph in the calculator and find the points in that regard. If, for example, you wanted to find the roots where it crosses the x-axis, the way you do that is you find that by finding when the numerator is equal to 0, which in this case would be when cosine of 2x would equal 0. Here's one for you to try. You can graph it and see which model is correct.